get a driver in the dark. It's raining in the park. But in the meantime, side of the river you stop and you hold everything. Band is playing Dixie, double 4 time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. Well, now you step inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming out of the rain, you hear the jazz go down. Competition in other places, but you know the horns, they're playing their sound. Way on down south, way on down south of London town. Check out Guitar George, he knows all the chords. Mine is strictly rhythm, he doesn't rhythm make him cry or sing. Yes, and all the guitar is all he can afford. When he gets up under the lights to play his thing. Doesn't mind, doesn't make a scene. He's got a daytime job, he knows doing alright. He can play the honk, talk like anything. Seeing up on a Friday night, with the Sultans, with the Sultans of Spain. So a crowd of you boys there, running around in the corner, drunk and dressed in their best brown biggies and the platform shoes. They don't give a damn about any trumpet playing band. It ain't what they call rock and roll. And the Sultans, yeah, the Sultans that play Creole. And then the man, he steps right out and up to the microphone. He says at last, just as the time bell rings, good night, now it's time to go home. And he makes it fast with one more thing. We are the Sultans. We are the Sultans on swing. Way on down south. Way on down south, way on down south London town. Hey, you get a shiver in the dark, it's raining in the park. Meantime, side of the river you stop and you hold everything. A band of Frank Dixie, double full time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. Play that all night. Yeah, that is one, you know. Now, yeah, there'll be better versions of it, you know. Maybe not tonight. Just be a little bit delicate now. Okay. Yeah, that's the one there. Yeah, what have we got? It's called just, yes, excellent. Now, there's kind of like two types of people in the world. There's people who like Robert Smith and people who don't. It's kind of Marmite. He's a musical genius. He's fantastic. He's written songs that you've danced to and you didn't even know it. He's amazing. Show me how you do that trick, the one that makes me scream, she said. The one that makes me laugh, she said, and threw her arms around my head. Show me how you do it, I promise that I'll run away with you. I run away with you. Spinning on a dizzy edge, her face and kissed her head. Dreamt of all different things I had to let her know. Why are you so far away, she said. Would you ever know that I'm in love with you? I'm so in love with you. You, soft and lonely, you, lost and lonely, you, stranger, stranger, dancing in the deepest oceans, drifting under the water, you're just like a dream. Day that put me into shape must have been asleep for days. My moving lips are breathing in, opened up my eyes. Found myself alone against a raging sea. The story of the only girl I loved who drowned down deep inside of me. Lost and lonely, you, strange and lonely, you. Show me how you do that trick, the one that makes me scream, she said. The one that makes me laugh, she said, and threw her arms around my head. Show me how you do it, I promise that I'll run away with you. I'll run away with you. You lost and lonely, you spinning on that dizzy edge, kissed her face and kissed her head. Dreamt of all the different ways I had to make her glow. Why are you so far away, she said, would you ever know that I'm in love with you? I'm in love with you. You lost and lonely, you lost and only, you strangest angel, dancing in the deepest oceans, twisting under the water, you're just like the ring. Daylight cut me into shape. Must have been asleep for days. Moving lips still breathing in. Opened up my eyes. Found myself alone, alone, alone beneath the raging sea. With the story of the only girl I loved who drowned down deep inside of me. You, lost and only you. Just like it's cool, isn't it? Lighting's amazing. It's okay, we've got time. I don't know how long the smell of that cigarette's gonna last in this kitchen, you know. I mean, if you were in it now, you'd smell it, you know. Smell the fresh tobacco burning. You know. I'm wondering what I want to sing. I think I'm gonna have to do that one. I don't know. It's very silent tonight, isn't it? Just a bit like that. We could do Travelling North there, right? But no, we want to go for it. Show me the thing. Oh yeah. I'd saved it kind of wrong, you know? tell her I'll be waiting in the usual place, where the tired and weary and there's no escape. To meet a woman, you got to know how the strong get weak and the rich get poor. Slave to love, oh, I'm a slave to love. I'm a slave to love. You're running with me, your feet don't touch the ground. Well, the restless hearted, but the chained and hound. The sky is burning, a sea of flame. Though your world is changing, I will be the same. Slave to love, oh, I'm a slave to love. Oh, I'm a slave to love. Oh, slave to love. I can't escape. I'm a slave to love. Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? The storm is breaking, or so it seems. We're too young to reason, too grown old to dream. The spring is turning, your face to mine. I can hear your laughter, I can see your smile. 'Cause I'm a slave to love, oh, I'm a slave to love. Oh, I'm a slave to love. Slave to love. Oh, I'm a slave to love. Can you help me? Oh yeah, can you help me? So tell her I'll be waiting in the usual place, where the tired and weary and there's no escape. To love a woman, you got to know how the strong get weak and the rich get poor. Be a slave to love, oh, slave to love. I'm a slave to love. Oh, I'm a slave to love. I'm a slave to na 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 na. The sky is burning, I see the flames, but the fire of love, it will still remain. Slave to love. Oh, I'm a slave to love. I'm a slave to love. Oh, na 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 na. Fairy time, and the living is easy. The pussy is jumping across the backstage marquee. Your mother is a doctor. You're in a mighty suit wearing cuffs. I hope you got the fucking child laid out of you and you had it good. Brian Ferry and Roxy Music. Summertime and the living is easy. Fish are jumping out from the bowls of hell. Your father's rich and your mama's good looking. So shut the fuck up, Brian February, once in a while. He was Welsh, not Brian Ferry, not Tom Jones, not Neil Kinnock, or Jonathan Davies, or I forgot the name of that porn star boxer guy. Prince of Wales isn't from Wales. That's an honorary title that the House of Windsor gives to themselves for ruling the British Empire. No, St. Patrick. St. Patrick was Welsh. He was a slave. And about 400 years after Jesus died, or 500 or so, sometime around then. I hadn't invented paper to print on or anything. Everything was word of mouth, you know. He came over as a slave, and he saw that Irish people needed to hear about the word of Jesus, you know. He went back to Wales, and he couldn't sleep. So I know he swam, but he got back over. And he went all around the country teaching about Jesus Christ and Christianity and made us all into mad, you know, civilized us. Before the Normans even here, before the Vikings got here, you know. Spread the word of the church, you know. I'm not even sure if there was such thing as Jesuits then, or probably what he could have been Jesuit. Answer that postcard. What a friend we have in Jesus, all our sins and pains to bear. What a silly privilege it is to carry. Thanks, Pádraig. Everything to God in prayer. Oh, what pains we often forfeit. Oh, what sins and pains we bear. What a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. I'm not doing that whole one. I have to get whipped towards. I might have just a little bit of time. Just we may have it. We may just get. Want to do a fast version of it? We'll just try typing it in. It's not there. comes up, and the memory of 1,000 starry eyes have caught me crying. You don't die of a broken heart, you just lie down and give up trying. It's gonna be a long night, alright. It's gonna be a long night. Keeping the teardrops out of sight, waiting for more